Your mutual fund distributor cannot take you for a ride from April 1st, 2025 because the SEBI will now apply brakes on distributors. Because from April 1st, 2025, SEBI is bringing in a new rule for mutual fund distributors to stop them from mis-selling funds. The SEBI is introducing a rule wherein when an investor switches his money from an existing scheme to a new fund offer within the same AMC, then the distributor will get the lower commission among the two schemes. This rule will deter distributors from advising you to switch your money from any scheme into a new fund just for the sake of earning higher commissions. This rule is only for money that is switched from a scheme to an NFO and does not apply if the investor puts in fresh funds in the NFO. If the investor puts fresh investment in an NFO, then of course the distributor will get the relevant commissions. But if they switch to an NFO within an existing AMC, then the distributor will get the lower of the two commissions. This ensures that the interests of the investors are well protected and reduces a lot of mis-selling and unfair business practices in the mutual fund industry. If you have ever been advised by any mutual fund distributor to switch from an existing fund to an NFO, then comment the words "me too" in the comments, and we will understand that you have been a victim of mis-selling in your investment journey.